Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Reducing the carbon footprint, the Coal India Way. India's first Just Energy Transition Center launched. A bit early, but a policy needed to handle solar waste. Coming to the details. Coal India has envisaged to create a carbon offset of around 2.5 lakh tons in next 5 years. With active implementation of carbon reduction measures on various fronts, Coal India is committed to achieve a carbon offset of more than 60,000 tons by end of this year. Coal India plans replacing its diesel-run heavy mining machinery with LNG-fired equipment. A pilot project at Bharatpur Opencast mine of Mahanadi Coalfields Limited in Odisha will be completed by end of this year. A comprehensive model is being devised to convert maximum heavy vehicles on LNG. Around 1500 e-vehicles in all mining areas of Coal India will be added over a period of next 5 years. Coal India will be introducing around 1700 energy efficient motors for pumps in all its mining operations. Coal India will also replace around 5000 conventional ACs and other appliances by energy efficient star rated appliances. Similarly, around 2.5 lakh LEDs will be introduced in place of conventional lights to save energy. Several initiatives like this has been adopted by Coal India Limited. The 2015 Paris Agreement has made just transition an important part of climate change agenda. Just transition has been gaining momentum worldwide. Developed countries are building capacity and knowledge on how to implement a just energy transition roadmap to meet net zero targets. There is a need to create independent research capacity which will be the base for advocacy and eventually a larger policy change. IJTC will have an important role in creating this capacity and bringing the expertise together. IJTC will play an important role in bridging the gap between state and national policy and the ground realities. IJTC will be a platform to bring stakeholders together to work on various aspects of just transition in India. Envisioned as a center of excellence, IJTC will provide thought leadership, support policies and planning, provide technical support, promote best practices and build capacity of various stakeholders. The new report, Forum of Environment, Sustainability and Technology. 5 rupees, a cross-sectorial landscape of just transition in India, brings out the urgent need to start planning a just transition in certain key sectors like coal mining, thermal power and automobile. It highlights 60 districts, many of them in states like Odisha, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Gujarat, where industrial restructuring will be required to avoid social and economic disruptions due to ongoing energy transition. There are 120 districts that are significantly depend on fossil fuels and related industries for revenue and livelihood. At least 20 million workers, a large majority of them being informal, are dependent on fossil fuel and related sectors. A preliminary analysis by Council on Energy, Environment and Water estimated 1,359 tons of waste by the end of financial year 2020-21 from the current 40 gigawatt solar capacity. The annual PV waste volume in India was expected to grow to 2 lakh tons by 2030 and about 1.8 million tons by 2050. While substantial waste volumes will only begin accumulating from 2025 onwards, it is imperative to plan ahead to ensure safe and economically viable means of its management. A PV module is made up of glass, metal, silicon and polymer fractions. Glass and aluminium together constitute about 80% of total weight and are non-hazardous. However, other materials include polymers, metals, metallic compounds and alloys are potentially hazardous. PV module recycling is still not commercially viable. Total estimated cost including transportation can vary between $400 to $600 per ton, far exceeding the value of recovered material. The waste is usually sent to laminated glass and metal recyclers that recover 70 to 80% of material by weight. Advanced recycling technologies can potentially push up this to 92%. In most of the central bidding documents, the responsibility for handling and disposing of PV waste rests on the developers as per the e-waste management and handling rules 2016. These rules, however, make no mention of the solar panel waste. The hazardous and other waste management and transboundary movement rules 2016 also do not specify details regarding solar cells and modules. Additional news today. Madhya Pradesh will have 950 megawatt solar plant operational in 2 years. NTPC mulls IPO of renewable energy arm to raise funds for green target. 5 Asian countries including India are responsible for 80% of world's planned new coal plants. Empanelment tender announced for rooftop solar systems in Chandigarh. Bid submission date is 19th July 2021. Reva Ultra Mega Solar's 450 megawatt tender gets massive response, oversubscribed by 5.8 gigawatt. Price discovery at power exchanges. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 131.54 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details, price discovered during night 4 rupees 24 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 2 rupees 71 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 4 rupees 74 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 3 rupees 67 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 3 rupees 87 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.